Hi, welcome to my channel, Tilla Girl TV Mukbang. My sister get my bed together. Look at that. That is so cute. Yes. Wait till we finish draping. We draping right now. What she draping? Oh, look. Look where we put that picture at. It's perfect. Then we got a lady over there in the corner with a hat on. Yes. Her name is Inja. Yes. I'm gonna give you another view of these colors. I can zoom in and out. Isn't that cute? Yes, look at that. Oh my God, I can't wait to lay down and watch that. This is my sister pulling up in her Tesla. Baby, you better roll this morning, baby. You better roll, Toshia Tiller, in your Tesla. It's making some kind of weird noise. Y'all hear that? What the weird noise is making, y'all? Oh, okay. Come through with the Tesla. I'm gonna be like you when I grow up, girl. Look at the Tesla, y'all. Bam. Bam. Look at that now with a Tesla. Bam. Girl, you better come through with the Tesla, girl. Bam. Baby. Yes. My twin pulling up in a Tesla. Baby, she better roll this Tesla. Tesla girl, okay? Call a Tesla girl. A Tesla girl with herself. It's so crazy. Baby, look at my sister Tesla on the charger, baby. I ain't never seen this before. Her car don't have a motor under the hood. She has no motor in this car. Good morning, y'all. Doing a mukbang with y'all. Guess what I'm about to do? Something I ain't did in a long time. Eat some cereal. My sister got some Captain Crunch. My absolute favorite cereal. And I don't like cold milk, so I put my milk in the microwave for a few seconds just to knock the chill off of it. Y'all ready? I guess that was my thumbnail, but it's my thumbnail. Oh, let me pray because I don't like no soggy cereal, okay? God, thank you for these Captain Crunch. I ain't had none in so long. About to tear it up. Amen. Baby, you can get a mukbang in anywhere, baby, because you got to eat, okay? So, we about to tear these up. Look. Baby. So good. Is this lactated milk? Because I'm lactose intolerant, so this is lactated milk. So good. At the beginning of this video, y'all gonna see my bedroom. My sister redid my bedroom. It's so pretty. I'm at her house now because we got to do a little more shopping for my bathroom now. So, girl, this food is so good. They're the best. Give me some Captain Crunch, some Corn Flakes, some Fruit Loops.
I like the Fruit Loops, Captain Crunch,
I mean, not Fruit Loops. I like Fruity Pebbles.
I like the Cinnamon Toast Crunch. That's all I really
The
like.
fruity pebble. Oh my God, it's so good.
What is cereals? That is cereals.
Well, it's so good.
Some Capncrunch. I'm not competing with my boys.
Well, scoot over here and eat with me.
No, you know I. No, ma'am.
She ain't gonna eat with me, y'all.
No.
It's so good.
You gonna make everybody go buy them some Capncrunch. I can't. It's so crazy. Crazy.
Got me smacking, Jesus. Got my twin, y'all. Not real twin, but, you know. Everybody think we triplets. Me, her, and my other sister, baby. I was gonna tell my sister to make me some coffee, but baby, we gotta go to some more stores. As soon as I drink that coffee, I'm in the bathroom right after I drink it. So, no. Now, this is old school. And I'm glad they taste the same. I miss those little kisses. They were like 9 later kiss. You remember them? Strawberry, banana, chocolate. They look like 9 later, but it was called Kiss.
I don't remember that one.
I can't.
I remember It sounds like you're describing Starbucks.
No. They were called Kiss. They were kisses. They were kisses. They were smaller than now laters. I just love the banana and strawberry one. Do you remember now later when they had the lemon and the vanilla and the banana now laters?
Yeah.
Do you really?
Vanilla.
Have a little bit more. I just love the lemon now laters. The lemon, grape, orange, vanilla. Oh my God, the vanilla one. They was good. What is it? You want me to leave? You gonna use it again?
I'm done.
Okay. The vanilla ones was my favorite.
They was crunching this.
And I promise you, the now letters was bigger than they are now. Back when the size of them, maybe because we were young, but they look like they were bigger.
Maybe because we were young. I think they were the same size.
Oh.
But it takes you and shoes to buy some lemon heads. That's what we need.
I love me some
Mukbang on
lemon head. I need to do a mukbang on lemon head, baby. I love me some lemon head.
Maybe some back in the day candy.
Yeah, different one what I can find. I'm gonna look online.
Those maybe you can find those vanilla now later.
And the lemon.
I'm gonna tell you, Sam. I bet you forgot what we used to do with our Kool-Aid.
What?
Make freeze cups.
Yes.
I'm gonna make some with E3.
Great. Yeah.
I'm gonna make some with E3. Give me some Kool-Aid.
Baby, he's gonna be harassing you. Freeze cup with the best.
Mama used to make them with the white cups.
And
I can still smell them.
Do you remember she bought us the snow then you put the ice in and make a snow cone?
Yeah.
You gotta turn it.
And then you pour the colored syrup on it.
Do you remember she used to make us ice cream with the carnation milk?
Mm-hmm. And snow.
I remember she used to put the ice in a towel and she would beat it with the hammer.
I would do. And I remember Dad used to drink sugar water. Stop it.
I used to drink sugar water too.
Oh, Lord.
But I was obsessed with butter.
Mm-hmm.
I used to go in there just dig in the butter and eat it.
I'm so sad. I was going to say, sister, I beat you? Are you kidding me? But you had two. Don't make me sad. I know I didn't do no speed eating.
I still like butter, but I don't dig in it like that. But I used to just dig with little fingerprints all in the butter, just dig.
So sad, so sad,
so
sad.
buttery, so buttery.
So buttery fingertips.
Who eating the butter, me? Call me butter.
Butterfinger.
Butterfinger, call me Butterfinger. This finger right here was just digging and digging and digging and digging.
A Butterfinger.
That's my new name, Butterfinger.
That's right. You get you a Butterfinger piece of candy, now you're really doing good. That's a blast from the
That's
past.
probably why that's my favorite piece of candy.
Because you're a Butterfinger.
I'm a Butterfinger.
You is.
Baby, Butterfinger's so good and buttery. It's butter and chocolate.
Yes, it is.
I live it.
But it gets stuck up in your teeth. And you know why our teeth, how they act these days.
You gotta be grown
Yeah, I know.
to get a Butterfinger like me now. I love it. Oh. Okay. Let me tell you something. G right here done hit the spot. I can't buy none in my house.
We be gone.
I eat these mugs for breakfast, lunch, and dinner.
Gone.
Oh.
Pew.
I don't even buy cereal. If I buy some, I get the Raisin Bran or the honey nut Cheerio. Because of my diabetes. I don't be wanting them, baby. I be wanting them right there.
Once in a while. Every now
And Mario, he like those right there. With them crunch berries. He like this one he buy, so I don't have to, when he buy them, I'm not gonna eat those because I don't like that.
Competition with him.
Right.
That's how I feel about Earl and E3. I don't have to really concern
So if I
myself.
bought those, he wouldn't eat those. But I would.
How about those donuts you had yesterday? I'm so sad, y'all. What is wrong? I need one in my throat.
Oh my God.
Banana pudding donut.
And the coconut cake donut.
That's not right.
Oh my God. And I think there was one still in the living room, in the kitchen.
Girl, bye. And I didn't get it. I can't.
Cause he didn't eat it, huh? Come
Yes,
on,
that's how you do it. I already did.
I'm finna drink the water. I'm finna drink that. Hold on, y'all. We gotta
get mad now. Get down with the get down.
Come on.
We fine. You not really eating no cereal.
Look at them. Baby, that's real old school right there. Look
Yes,
at them.
it is. I can't. That's what E3 does.
I said, oh, Lord, I'm finna drink out the bowl in front of the people. Listen, y'all know what it is.
Yeah, if you're gonna have a cereal, how you gonna not eat the drink the milk? That is just wrong.
And so now we about to go to the stores so I can get the bathroom together. Cause my sister got my room together. Y'all gonna see it at the beginning of this video. And we're gonna be out, y'all. Come back and see me now.
Peace.
Peace.